Hello guys, welcome back. So Chris Brown has sold out one of the biggest stadiums in Africa. Yes, I once reported and said Chris Brown is coming to South Africa, and I'm worried that the price is a little steep and that he might find it difficult to fill up the stadium. But hey, oh my, Chris Brown has filled up the stadium. You know what? Let's look at literature. If there's literature, I'm gonna read from the Citizen. Tickets for American singer Chris Brown upcoming concert at the FNB Stadium in Johannesburg sold out in less than 3 hours, packing the 94,000 seater. The concert, set for 14 December 2024, is part of Chris Brown's highly anticipated tour in Africa. Fans snapped up tickets as soon as they went live. This level of demand is reminiscent of Justin Bieber in 2013 when he came here to perform, where tickets were sold out to young fans in less than 3 hours. However, not all major artists have found the same success in Johannesburg. Naysayers had drawn comparison between Brown's show and the recent controversy surrounding Burna Boy concert at the FNB Stadium, which struggled to get ticket sales. So let's go straight into it. Burna Boy, because people are already complaining that South Africans are buying Chris Brown tickets because he's American. Yeah, people are complaining that South Africans hate themselves, Africans hate themselves, South Africans hate Africans, and all that. There's a lot of things that have been said about South Africans with regard to Burna Boy, but I want to tell you something. The reason Burna Boy is not receiving love in South Africa is not because he's African or he's dark or because we love something that is American. No, it's because Burna Boy, for the past years, he's been talking a lot of crap about South Africa. So Burna Boy has been talking a lot of nonsense about South Africa from the times of AKA till today. Burna Boy will not find love in South Africa because of that. It's not because he's hated, or it's not because he's discriminated against based on the fact that he's Nigerian. Because there are those accusations that are saying that South Africans hate Nigerians, South Africans hate Africans. That's why they're not supporting Burna Boy, and now they're supporting Chris Brown. No, it's because Burna Boy has burned all the bridges in South Africa. But those accusations about Burna Boy being hated in South Africa because he's African, because he's Nigerian, no, it's because of his deeds. I mean, if you look at Chris Brown has been to South Africa before. For those who have been watching the soapy Generations, they will remember that he once appeared on the soapy Generations. So Chris Brown has been here and has embraced the Africanness. Yes, he has embraced South Africa. Chris Brown has done nothing wrong to South Africans, and he's been here before and he's always embraced South Africa. Unlike Burna Boy, who's never embraced South Africa but want to come here and take millions away to Nigeria. Hell no. And the only way for Burna Boy to get back to the South Africa's good books, because now he's in the black books, he needs to apologize. Burna Boy needs to publicly apologize to South Africans. That's when he's gonna get love. Other than that, unfortunately, I love Burna Boy's music, but because of what he's done, what he said about my country, it becomes a little difficult. I love his music, but I know I don't like him as a human being. So Burna Boy must do the right thing, apologize, apologize, apologize. Let's move right along, guys.